Revitalize your health with nature's finest nuts. Packed with potent nutrients, these tiny powerhouses offer a bite-sized boost to your well-being. From heart-loving almonds to brain-boosting walnuts, discover a world of vitality in every bite. Elevate your meals with nutty delights. Sprinkle over salads, blend into smoothies, or savor as a satisfying snack. With just a handful a day, you're embracing a delicious path to a healthier you. These tiny superfoods are packed with essential nutrients that can transform your well-being. Let's take a closer look at some of the most popular and nutritious nuts. First up, we have almonds, known for their heart-protective benefits. Almonds are rich in antioxidants, good fats, and vitamin E, making them a great choice to lower cholesterol levels and protect against oxidative stress. Walnuts, shaped like a miniature brain, offer brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Not only do they help improve cognitive function, but they also contribute to reducing LDL cholesterol and supporting heart health. Cashews, often misunderstood due to their calorie content, are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. They're your ally in reducing the risk of heart disease and promoting overall well-being. Moving on to pistachios, these vibrant green gems are packed with benefits. They enhance heart health, boost your immune system, and even help manage blood sugar levels. Groundnuts, or peanuts, offer a dose of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, they're associated with reducing the risk of heart diseases and providing a nutritional punch. Hazelnuts, with their distinct flavor, provide a spectrum of nutrients, from omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids to antioxidants and minerals. They're particularly helpful in managing blood sugar levels and providing essential energy. Last but not least, pecan nuts. These antioxidant-rich wonders are not just delicious, they also offer anti-inflammatory properties and omega-3 fats, contributing to your overall health. Nuts are nature's nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. Incorporating a small handful of nuts into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your health. But how do you maximize the benefits of nuts? Here's how: soaking them overnight. This simple step eliminates phytates and tannins, improving nutrient absorption and aiding digestion. Now, let's talk about incorporating nuts into your meals. You can sprinkle them over salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. From nut butters to nut-based milk, the possibilities are endless. Remember, though, moderation is key. Just a handful, roughly 30 grams, is all you need to reap the benefits without overindulging. Nuts are a fantastic addition to your diet, but like anything, balance is essential. So there you have it, nuts, the tiny superfoods with mega benefits. From almonds to pecans, each nut brings a unique set of nutrients to the table. Incorporating them into your diet, the right way, can lead to a healthier and more vibrant you. Remember, when it comes to your health, these tiny powerhouses are a nutty choice you won't regret. Stay healthy, stay nuts.